Good morning. Laging kasama, laging kaibigan, basta wala lang sampalan. Magkano yung tumpok? 50, sir? Ah, 50. Hindi. Magkano lang ako. Ako sana hihingi eh. Wala pa, may license.
Dado lahat ang
Magkano sa spaghetti?
30 po.
Sa pansit?
Pareho.
Everything is 30?
Oo. Wow.
How about this one?
Everything is 30.
30? Really? You're live in YouTube?
Like YouTube. Naka-YouTube ba tayo?
Yes.
Live ba tayo?
Can you make a shout out? No, we're not live, but I will post it in YouTube.
Ay, we are not live. Hindi pala live eh. Si shout out pa man din ako.
You can make a shout out.
Sa Pateros.
There's a lot of changes, development and progress.
Sige, pumili na kayo. Baka tayo maubusan.
Why?
Marami akong customer eh. Marami pa akong gagawin eh. Pag naka-live na lang kayo, tsaka kayo dumaan.
Really? There's a requirements?
No, nothing requirements. I'm only busy today.
You said that you need to be live in YouTube.
Talagang, ang mga, oo.
You can watch your,
Ano ba ang
you can watch-
pangalan ng YouTube niyo?
Mama, yan ako. No,
Ano ang pangalan ng YouTube niyo?
Mama, yan ako.
Mama,
Mama, yan ako.
Mama yan ako. Ma'am yan ako.
Mama, yan ako.
Ano?
It's hard to think.
Ako.
Yes, Mama, yan ako.
Mabilis, mamaya ka na. Mamaya mo na lang siya pag...
It's hard to think.
Sad to think.
It's hard to think what I'm gonna buy.
Choose it. Choose
Give me a little time.
little time,
Yes.
little hour, little second.
Yes. Maybe you give me spaghetti.
Mahirapan pa tayo pag mamaya
Spaghetti.
na ako YouTube, English spoken pala
Yes.
Kailangan
I was a native
Tagalog
of
tayo.
Pateros.
Alam ko. Saan kayo yung taga-Patero?
Yes.
Mukhang taga-Kalawaan pa kayo.
No,
Hindi kayo taga-
I born in Martires del 96.
Pag-Europe.
Yes. I thought you have Suman.
Suman, tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
We have a lot of Suman in the center of Church of Patero.
Really?
Yes.
I'll go there.
Yeah. Tomorrow.
I will leave now.
Oh, you can.
How about your shout out?
I have a lot of works.
Really? You're very industrious.
Tomorrow, you better go here live. I will shout out all in the Pateros.
Really? Don't shout out all. Just choose your
Shout out to Father! Bilisan mo ang misa!
so the client, the customer will go out.
Tomorrow, live. Shout out kay Father! Bilisan mo ang misa!
Like, share, and subscribe.